In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw directly within Notion using a third-party tool called Excalidraw. This is a wonderful way to enhance your notes with creative sketches and visual elements. So let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into your Notion account. Have the particular page open where you'd like to embed your drawing. This will make the process seamless and ensure that you can integrate your drawing exactly where you want it in your workspace. Now, let's head over to the Excalidraw website. Simply open your browser and navigate to excalidraw.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option to start a new session. Click on that and it will bring up a blank canvas where you can begin your artwork. Excalidraw provides a good range of drawing tools that you can use. So feel free to unleash your creativity here. Whether you're sketching a complex diagram or just doodling some ideas, this canvas is your playground. When you feel satisfied with your drawing, or even if you wish to continue working later, you'll need to capture a link to your session. To do this, head to the address bar of your browser and copy the URL. This link is crucial as it allows Notion to access and embed your drawing seamlessly. Next, switch back to your Notion page. You'll want to paste that URL link directly into the page where you intend to embed your drawing. As soon as you paste it, Notion will recognize the link. But there's a small extra step to ensure that it embeds correctly. Hover over the link, you'll notice a drop-down arrow appear. Click on that arrow and select Create Embed from the options. This will enable Notion to display your Excalidraw session directly on the page. Once embedded, you can view or even interact with your drawing without ever having to leave Notion. It's tremendously helpful because it allows for real-time updates and interactions, whether it's for personal brainstorming or collaborative projects. And that's all there is to it. You've now embedded a dynamic drawing tool right inside your Notion workspace. This integration is perfect for sketching out ideas, planning projects, or creating illustrative notes that bring your text to life. I hope you found this video helpful in enhancing your Notion experience. If you did, please consider leaving a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.